Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mama Yet's in the building. The one, the only, fierce, foxy, fabulous, live and direct. And today we got some Morphe, yeah! Okay guys, so as you guys know, Morphe's launched this new Mega Matte lipsticks just recently on the 30th of May. And I got this the post, and I've been dying to do a review, but I've just not had the time. So today I'm going to do a quick review for you guys, and yeah, let's see how it goes. So this is how the packaging came. It came in this really huge lipstick box for y'all. I'm going to open it, and voila, and this is what the packaging looks like. So there's 5 new lipsticks, all with Nikita Dragun as the muse for the lips, and it's called the Mega Matte. So this is what they look like. So I'm going to show you guys. And we've got 5 shades. So basically they retail for $9 each. But if you get the whole, hold on, let me make sure I'm not telling you porkies. So okay, this is it. They $9 each, but if you get everything together, you can get it for $35. So if you get it the whole set, it works out to be $7 each. So yeah, so it's really exciting. So I'm going to take out all the packaging for you. So this is what the box looks like. You open it up, bow, and that's what the lipsticks look like. Just to show. So it's like red, chrome, really lovely, and it's got the M embossed on it as well. Let's see if you can get some bit of focus for you. Nope, it's not focusing. Focusing more on my face anyway. So there's an M embossed on it. So yeah, so today I'm just going to basically try the lipstick out and see what it looks like. So I'm going to bring all 5 of them out so you can see. So the packaging is gorgeous. I really do like it. It's like a little slap bullet. So this is something Morphe has never done before. Normally they have liquid lipsticks, they have lip pencils. I've got 1 or 2 of their lip pencils that I'm going to try to see if this works out. So I really do like the packaging. So look at that, that's quite gorgeous. Gorgeous. Anyway, I'm going to put that aside. We don't need that box, you know. That's what we need. We want to see the lipstick. So in total there's 5 colors. You've got Morphe, which is a signature deep red, Dominate, which is a brick red, Lava, which is a watermelon kind of neutral bright or coral, Tease, which is a cayenne pepper, very orange, and Steam, which is a classic cherry red. So in total we have all got the colors here for you to see. I'm gonna unbox it for you. Unboxing. So I'm unboxing at the moment. Yes, so unboxing lipstick. There we go. Focus for you guys, so you can see from the deepest side or to the darker, lightest. Yeah, I think I've lined them up properly. So fantastic. So the first one we have is Morphe, and Morphe is a signature deep red. I'm just gonna swatch. You know what? I'm gonna take off my wristwatch because I think yes, they might as well. So you can swatch it on my arm for you. So that's what Morphe looks like there, and that's Morphe. Next one is Dominate, which is a cooler with a blue undertone. There you go. The next one is Lover, which is like a watermelon wet. What's watermelon wet? So that's that one here. There you go. Can you guys see it? Let me do a bit more swatch for you. There we go. That's Dominate. The next one we have is Steamy, which is a classic cherry red. There you go. And the last one is Tease, which is, I think it's actually going to be my favorite. I'm thinking, because I really do like the orange. You might need a dark pencil if you like. So that's that one. So there we go. So that's all the 5 reds for you. Yes, can you guys see them? Fantastic. So now I find this lipstick is quite moisturizing. Although they're mega matte, but they're not drying, so that's quite nice. And I think for $9 each, I mean, come on, you're not $9. I mean, or even, and you get all 35 for $35. I know one lipstick that costs just $35, but so 5 lipsticks from Morphe. I mean, you know, Morphe is a brand that it's accessible to all, and you know, it's quite reasonable price. So today I'm gonna swatch my lips for you. We're gonna start now with. Let me clean my hands before I start making a mess. So I found my wipes because obviously I've got to wipe off my lips and start all over again. So I'm going to start with Morphe's signature deep red. The next one is Dominate. Dominate is a cooler undertone blue red. I'm gonna try this one for you guys. Next one is Steamy, and this one is a classic cherry red. So I'm going to try this one out for you guys. So the next one I have is Lover. It's like a watermelon red, like a coral. So I'm going to try this out. Okay, I like this. The last one is Tease, and that's like a real bright orange. I'm gonna try that one out for you guys. So this was Tease, and you know, I think for me, I really do like all the lipsticks. They're really, I mean, they wear well for dark skin. So if you're thinking to yourself, oh my God, red lipstick for black skin, girl, you can't wear that. You're gonna look like a, no, they work. And I really, really like them. I must say, the last one, Tease, to be fair, my lips are a bit dry now, so, you know, but I've struggled with Tease because I think, because I've been swatching all these lipsticks, my lips were dry. You know, I put foundation, but apart from that, they're really, really lovely. I mean, look at that. They're really lovely colors. So $9 for these lipstick, and if you buy all 5, if you get all 5, you get them for $35. I know lipsticks that cost, one lipstick just costing $35. I know palettes with just 4 or 6 little, you know, even less than that for this amount of money, or more amount of money, sorry. I know palettes that cost more than this, you know, so you're getting really good value, and they're not drying, they are quite moist, and their colors, they really, really work on dark skin. So girls, sisters, and brothers, you know what I'm saying? Hey, if y'all feeling this lipstick, I think you should get it for your mama, your sister, everybody should get a couple. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I mean, this was just a Lord of mercy. This was just a quick one for you guys. Hold on. So guys, sorry, excuse me, burping on television. So these, like I said, mega matte lipsticks, $9 for each one. You can get 35, all 5 for $35. As you can see, I've swatched them on myself. I've put them on. I really do like them. You don't really need a liner, but if you want to, I mean, I've got one of these. You can either, you know, do something with them. I don't know. There's one called Mina. Let's see if, oh, Mina works. Let's see. I'm just going to try. This is one of the Morphe ones, just to do over. Yeah. Not bad. Yeah, not bad at all. I probably would go for a darker liner, knowing me, because I like the bit darker liner. I mean, there's another liner here called Linda. I don't think Linda would work with this one. Yeah, so these are the lipsticks. I'm really feeling this orange. Didn't know orange could look this good. I must say, I think I have orange lipsticks, but I hardly wear it. But this is amazing. So thank you guys. So the new Morphe Mega Matte lipsticks, they are brown girl friendly. Get yourself a couple, you know, with your sister soldier. Yes. Take care, guys. Have a fabulous day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and thumbs up. You can follow me on Instagram, Mama Yets, Twitter, Mama Yets. I also have a website, yetsundeojolly.com. Yeah. Thank you so much for tuning in, and peace, love, and hair grease. Head of my soul. Hey, sister, go, sister, soul. He met Mama lie down in old New Orleans, strutting the stuff on the street. Said, hello, hey, Joe, you want to give it a go? Get you, yeah, yeah. I know. Bye-bye, guys. Take care. Get you, yeah, yeah, here. Mocha chocolate, yeah, yeah. Let me look for the song, y'all. Creole lady mama love. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir?